Hi there. Welcome to another evidence-based medicine session. Today, I will present you about the evidence of harm. Last time, we had a session about the evidence of prognostic studies, and I expect you to remember, for example, this cardiac risk calculation based on the Framingham score, and what kind of study was this? It is a very famous and very important study, also used in family medicine. And what risk factors are taken into account when calculating the prediction of the cardiac risk? Okay. The objectives for today's presentation are listed here. So I'm intending to increase the participants' knowledge to appraise scientific evidence on harm, and specifically, you should be able to discuss the appraisal of the validity of harm evidence, discuss the importance of a valid evidence about harm for clinical practice, describe the term quaternary prevention, hazard ratio, and explain the significance of confounding factors in harm articles, and lastly, discuss the application possibility of a valid and important harm evidence into a clinical practice.